The New York Knicks are finally gonna get a win. They've been on an 18-game losing streak. That is amazing when you think about it. They've lost 18 games in a row. Wow. They're seriously tanking, aren't they? They can't really be that bad. The lob pass down the lane. They're taking on the Hawks, another bad team. Oh, the poster. Bembry dunking on all the Knicks at once. What is going on here? Knicks have a huge lead in the first half. Another lob. Hawks are getting highlights. They're getting ready for All-Star Weekend. That's John Collins having some fun. Knicks back on the other end, pulling up from the elbow. It's good. I can't believe that the Knicks, they only have 11 wins this season. They're competing with the Phoenix Suns right now. They're trying to get Zion. They're trying to cheese. Look at Trae Young from way downtown knocking down the three. It's time to move to the second half. And I'm not sure what got into the Knicks tonight, because it looked like they were content with tanking. I don't know why they decided to get a dub tonight, but hey, they're competing. Hawks are doing the same thing. The Hawks are trying to win this game. Very interesting third quarter. Another a tip slam. Mitchell Robinson dunking on his own teammates. Now the Knicks are cutting back door, getting wide open layups. There's not a lot of time left in this one, and the Hawks can never really get it going. Another lob for NY. DeAndre Jordan having fun. Arenas is wide open in the corner. No defender. They need a timeout. And look, now he's jumping all over the place. Oh, man, look at this. I'm dancing. I got him. Floater. Oh, the floater gets swatted. The floater got swatted, man.